want to talk about something. I'm going to talk about our industry, about something real quick. We are considered as professionals out here, and we are held to a higher standard.
Her husband had been killed by a 24-year-old truck driver.
Why does a hairstylist require more training than a professional driver pulling, just under 40,000 kgs?
And what I mean by that, yes, if there's an accident, we're going to be blamed. You know why? Because we have a logbook. We have an electronic logbook.
One of our truck wreck cases, we uncover logbook fraud. And what that means is there is a federal Motor Carrier Safety Act that requires truckers to keep logbooks of their hours. They're only allowed to drive so many hours per day, they're only allowed to drive so many hours per week, and they have to take mandatory rest breaks and things like that in between. And just like anything in life, there are people who will cut corners in the trucking industry for all sorts of reasons. So a lot of times when we get involved in cases, we can request the logbook, and then we request all kinds of other information to verify whether or not the book has been fraudulently kept.
Better than the rest of anybody out there that is driving on our public highways. So we are actually considered professionals, and we need to be in that role. It's bad enough that we have a bad image out here already.
Or he's going to try to pass this guy, one or the other. Really? Oh, this is going to be good. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at that, look at the shit. I am so glad I got that on camera.
That would be
although I could probably take a pretty good guess, because we see it all the time. I saw it yesterday. A tanker was just within 8-9 feet from the back of a car, blowing his horn. I understand the car was in the middle lane. He couldn't take the third lane to go around, and he couldn't go around in the right lane. So what he does, he gets real close to this four-wheeler, he blows the horn, and he lays on it. He doesn't just toot it, he lays on it. That's not professional. That means that guy has no patience whatsoever. Yes, okay, your center lane is being blocked, but that doesn't give you a reason to push somebody out of your way. You just can't do that, man. We have more automobiles out here on the road today than we did in 1980. We have more people out here on the roads today. We got younger folk out here on the road, and the lack of education teaching these young four-wheeler drivers how to drive around big trucks, it just ain't happening. But we as truck drivers, we are set at a higher standard, and that includes road rage. There's no place on our public highways for road rage, none at all. You got to keep your cool, man. I also want to talk about something else real quick. When drivers can jump out of a truck at a truck stop and literally just come up to your door and make accusations, curse you out or whatever, grab a hold of your door trying to open it.
Winnipeg, I don't know where this guy is planning on going. At least turn on your signal light if you want to go somewhere, you know. Come on. Alright, he's mad. He's giving me the number 1. Oh, he's coming out. Yeah, he's coming out. Alright guys, be prepared for a mad boy. Good morning, sir.
me for?
Well, you could have at least turned your signal on which way you're going.
I'm in a fucking parking lot, bitch.
Oh, yeah? Doesn't matter.
Do you turn signal on in a
Yeah.
fucking parking lot?
Yeah, I do. So that way I let the other drivers know which way we're going.
I'm coming through a parking lot going to the fuel line.
Well, I don't know that, right? You could have been going that way, right?
Then why are you trying to pass me if you think I'm
Well,
going toward the exit?
You're going really
'Cause you're
slow.
a fucking bitch.
All right, well, you'll be on YouTube anyways.
Get out of the truck, bitch.
No.
Come on.
Why?
Come on. Get out of the truck.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You gonna be a big badass and blow you fucking horn. Come on.
Why?
I'm standing right here.
Well, I'm right here.
You gonna be a pussy ass bitch. Get the fuck out of the parking lot.
Well, you have a good day, sir. Yeah.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Get out.
No.
Come on.
No.
You gonna sit up there behind that steering wheel, big coward little bitch.
No.
Yeah, the fuck you are.
In this day and era, you don't know what that person's going to do. Today, people carry guns. And I have nothing against guns. I think guns are the best thing that we can have. I think it's a good way to protect ourselves. But unfortunately, people are using them and they are actually shooting drivers.
A possible road rage incident at a busy intersection during the evening rush hour turns deadly. A truck driver is gunned down in broad daylight. It's an update to breaking news we told you about at 5. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Griswold. Craig has the night off. The shooting happened just after 4:30 at the intersection of 60th and L. The intersection has been closed for hours as police investigate and search for the suspect. Reporter Maya Signs is live at 60th and L, and we've just learned minutes ago the victim has died. Maya, what can you tell us?
Yep, Jen, as you mentioned, that victim has died, and the police have identified him as 32-year-old James Womack of Omaha. Now, again, as you mentioned, it's been hours since the shooting occurred a little bit after 4:30, and police remain here on scene investigating what exactly happened. However, witnesses tell me this was all part of a road rage incident.
I mean, he really deserved that for yelling at the guy, for maybe possibly cutting him off.
A possible road rage shooting near 60th and L sent a semi-truck driver to the hospital in critical condition.
Officers did respond to the shooting and located a male victim, approximately mid-30 years of age, that had sustained a gunshot wound.
Witnesses say a nurse from Children's Hospital who happened to be at the Quick Trip at the time of the shooting performed CPR on the victim before paramedics rushed him to CHI Bergen Mercy. Another witness also jumped in to help. Craig Kellerman was driving by the intersection when it happened and saw the situation unfold.
The driver of the red semi-truck got out of the semi-truck, walked up to the Chevy pickup, grayish Chevy pickup had blacked out windows, pounded on the window, yelled, "What's your problem?" and said his piece and started walking back to his truck. And as soon as he turned around, from what I could tell, is he got shot in the back about 3 times.
Don't take what happens out here personal. I see it all the time. I do. I talk to friends on the phone and they get irate with four-wheelers. Like they've never seen something happen before. Like, I've been driving for 25 years. There ain't there's not a car or a truck can do anything out here I haven't seen. I just back off, and I'm not going to be part of that fight. I'm not going to be part of that fight because, first of all, I can't get my truck impounded. I can't go to jail. Jake and Panda would actually go to a doggy pound. Who's going to win the battle? There ain't no winning situation there. It's about safety. Safety first. Safety comes from you. You got to implement the safetiness of being out here. I'm just tired of the road rage out here. I'm tired of the rage. I'm tired of everything that is happening around us. I can't fix the problem. All I can do is, show you guys what's happening out here. And life is short. You want to make it any shorter? I don't. Personally, I don't want to make it no shorter. We got to be careful out here, folks. Remember, you're out here to deliver freight. That's it. And to get home safe. That's what this industry is all about. Deliver your freight, pick up your freight, and get home.